Next on the list is a spray paint can. Motorcycles like the Himalayan have a lot of exposed metal parts, and in places where it comes in contact with the luggages or the bungee cord and all that stuff, the paint job on the metal parts tends to go off. Spray paint helps in covering all those metal parts and prevents them from rusting, as well as it gives a finished look. I usually have a can of black spray paint, and wherever that paint tends to go off, I just spray and cover that part up and it looks as new.